Today, we are going to demonstrate how to use LCJ Delights Meal to make a delicious punch. For this how-to video, we'll be using LCJ Delights Plantain Meal. Pour 4 cups of water into pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon clove, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and 2 bay leaves. Place pan with spices on medium flame and bring to a boil. Add 1 small pack of your favorite LCJ Delights meal to 2 cups of water. Whisk until fully dissolved. Add mixture to boiling water. Whisk or stir until thick or for 20 minutes. Pour thick mixture into a dish and let cool. To set, refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. Scoop 3 large spoons of meal gel to blender. Add 2 cups of skimmed or almond milk, a few dashes of bitters and mixed essence. Add Nola granola as desired. Add half tin of coconut condensed milk and blend together. Pour into glass and garnish with your favorite toppings. There you have it, LCJ Delights Meal Punch. Enjoy!